My name is Petros Perros. I'm a visiting senior lecturer at the University of Newcastle upon Tyne in the UK. It's a pleasure and a great honour for me to be an invited speaker in this year's Gulf Association for Endocrinology and Diabetes meeting. This is going to be a great educational and networking event, and I'd like to encourage you to register and attend. I will be giving talks about the latest in thyroid eye disease, the management of hypothyroidism, and pregnancy in the thyroid. I'm looking forward to seeing you in Dubai at the end of October 2025.